Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Jasmine. In this video, we are going to discuss about the important concept file from the subject programming in C. Before going to this file concept, let's see what is a character. It consists of either alphabets or numerical data or any special symbols. So, everything will be considered as a character. Group of these characters, we call it as a string. While reading the input string, we have seen different input functions. One is scanf, then getChar function and also getters function. By using scanf, it can read up to only one word. That means end of the character is space. Coming to getChar and getters, it reads the data until we press the enter button. That means new line character. Until the user press the new line character, we can read the data. But in file, the main advantage of file is storing the data. In the past program, just we give input and it will produce output. Output will not be saved in the memory. Here in this file concept, we can save the input and output data. File means it consists of a group of strings. Next we see the types of files. It is categorized into two types. One is text file and another one is binary files. ASCII text files. Text file is a sequence of characters which are processed sequentially. Operations done in text files are reading, writing and appending. Each line in a text file can have maximum of 255 characters. And each line ends with a new line character and also each file ends with end of file marker. The main thing here is data stored in the form of ASCII values. Second one is binary files. Here the data is in binary form, that is zeros and ones, and also it processed either sequentially or randomly. File can be processed randomly by moving the current file position to the required position from where the data can be read or written to. And also it ends with the end of file marker and also it requires less space than the text files. Next one is file operations. The various file operations are, the first one is declaring the file pointer variable, second one is opening the file, third one is reading data from file, fourth one is writing data to the file, fifth one is closing the file. Declaring the file pointer variable. A file pointer variable has to be declared to access a file. Syntax is file space star file pointer name. Next we see the example. File space star fp, and here fp is the file pointer variable. Opening the file. A file must be opened before read or write operation. The function fopen_off is used to open a file. Syntax given is file pointer variable equal to fopen_off filename.txt, mode. Here file name is specified along with the path of the file in the disk. Now we see the example to specify the path of the file. Next one is mode. Mode represents the type of processing that can be done with the file. Various modes for processing the files are: R represents open a text file for reading, W represents open a text file for writing, A represents append to a text file, RB represents open a binary file for reading, WB represents open a binary file for writing, AB represents append to a binary file, R plus represents open an existing text file for read or write, W plus represents create a new text file for read or write, A plus represents append a text file for read or write, R plus B or RB plus means open an existing binary file for read or write, W plus B or WB plus represents create a new binary file for read or write. And last one is A plus B or AB plus means append a binary file for read or write. Third one is reading data from file. Data can be read from files using the following functions. First one is fscanf of, second one is fgetters of, third one is f get C of, and the last one is f read of. Functions to read data from file. First function is f scanf of, that is used to read formatted data from the stream. Next one is f getters of, that means it is used to read a line from the stream. Third one is f get C of, that is used to read the next character from the stream. The last one is f read of, that is used to read number of elements specified by size from the stream. Fourth one is writing data to file. Functions used to write data to files are, first one is f printf of, second one is f putters of, third one is f putc of, the last one is f write of. Functions to write data to file. First function is f printf of, that is used to write formatted data to the stream. Second one is f putters of, it is used to write a line to the stream. Next one is f putc of, that is used to write a character to the stream. The last one is f write of, it is used to write number of elements specified by size to the stream. Fifth one is closing a file. File should be closed after reading or writing. The function f close of is used to close an already opened file. Syntax given is integer f close of file star fp is the file pointer variable. Okay, va? Next, f close all of is used to close all the streams. Sixth one is detecting the end of file. End of file is a symbolic constant defined in the library function stdio.h with the value -1. There are two ways to detect an end of file. The first one is compare the characters that has been read with the value of end of file. Second one is use the standard library function feof of defined in stdio.h. Syntax given for feof of function is int feof of file star fp is the file pointer variable. Next we see the example program to open, write and close a file. First we write the header files. Next main function. After that we are declaring the variables. First one is the file pointer variable. Next one is the data variable. And next we are opening the file using the fopen of function in the mode writing mode. Next check whether the file is open or not. Next check the length of the data is greater than or 0. If it is greater than 0, we are writing the data to the file pointer variable using the fputters function, and at last we are displaying the data in the file pointer variable fp. After displaying, we are closing the file. This is a sample output for the above program. Thank you.